Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this Grinch filter on Snapchat. So this is a filter. Okay, so this is a filter. It's works on the rear mode also. Okay, and this is a filter. Sorry, I can't play the sound here because it might be a copyright strike. Okay, this is the two filter. Raise your eyebrow to take a selfie. Okay, so let me remove this first. Okay, the filter are gone. Okay, so to get this filter, what you can do, you can visit this website. Link to this website I'll give in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the snap code for this filter. If you're browsing this website in your laptop or PC, you can scan the snap code with your Snapchat mobile app. And if you're browsing this website on your mobile, just tap on the snap code and open it with Snapchat. Likewise, and you will see this pop-up, unlock for 48 hours. Just tap there and there you go, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this filter and use this filter on Snapchat. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.